कल से बेहतर आज।
According to US, their MQ-9 aircraft was conducting routine operations in international airspace when it was intercepted and hit by a Russian aircraft, resulting in a crash and complete loss of the MQ-9. Several times before the collision, the Su-27 fighter jets dumped fuel on the drone in a reckless, environmentally unsound and unprofessional manner. But Russia said the drone crashed after a sharp manoeuvre and denied that the two aircraft made direct contact. The Russian Defense Ministry also said the MQ-9 Reaper drone was flying with its transponders turned off. Transponders are communications devices that allow the aircraft to be tracked. Now, it's time to see how America will respond to it, as it might accelerate tension between both nations. Till then, subscribe to our channel.